We can't talk about family mealtime without talking about what we have to do before we eat every single meal, and that's washing our hands. We brought in our doc friend from Helen DeVos Children's Hospital. Dr. Dahl, talk to me about the importance of hand washing, especially with the fear of swine flu and everything else going around.
Hand washing is something that everyone can do many times a day to protect themselves, not just from the swine flu, but the regular flu, cold viruses, all these things circulating now that school's back in session and that the weather's turned colder. And it's important all year round. Like you said, before meals, really especially important time, before things are coming in contact with your mouth. After you maybe had to blow your nose would be another excellent time to do that, to reduce spreading things to other people. And whenever you feel like you've been out and been touching a lot of surfaces that other people have touched.
Anything like that.
Yeah, so sometimes at home, soap and water, best way to do it. Everybody knows some cues that can help them. Kids all know the happy birthday song.
Love the happy birthday song.
So I think that's the key that most people are
should we
missing.
sing happy birthday while we wash our hands?
We should, because it's important that you use soap and water and use it for long enough. And that's where we miss, I think, the effectiveness. We run in, we get our hands under there, pull them out, and out the door we go. But you really have to scrub for an adequate amount of time. And that's the happy birthday song twice, really, because it's sort of a short song. So it's soap and water, rubbing all surfaces, really getting the back of your hands, in between your fingers, get your thumbs, use your thumbs a lot, all that really important. And make sure it's about 15 to 20 seconds, happy birthday song twice.
That really is going to keep our kids healthier.
It's going to keep us healthy, too.
Absolutely.
And, you need to be a healthy provider for your kids. Keep yourself in good shape, too. So it works not just for kids, but for adults. And in those times you're not at a sink, you're out about in the park, you're in a shopping center, and you've been shopping, pushing that cart around, handling all sorts of things. That's the time that I think the waterless hand gels are perfect. You can use those.
So that does the job.
That does the job too. We like soap and water best, but you can't always use soap and water. And that's a great second line of defense. And again, just cover all the surfaces of the hands, rub till it's dry. And that's another way to protect yourself.
Thank you for keeping us healthy. Great advice.